Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Math, 6th grade. We are on lesson 1.1. Today we are going to be learning about writing and evaluating expressions involving exponents. Please make sure you write this down in your notes as we move forward. Alright, so let's just do some review. Here is question number 1. It says, describe and correct the error in writing the value of the product. Do I want you to write this? Absolutely. So please make sure you write this down. Also, please make sure you write down the number 1 as well. So let's see, what is going on here? What did this person do wrong? So let's see, they have 7 to the 5th power. So we have 7 wholes, 7 to the 5th power. And this student said, well, that means 7 times 5, and they gave it 35. That is not correct. So what this little 5 here, or what this exponent is telling me that I have 5 of these 7. So what that actually looks like is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what that's supposed to look like. 7 times 5 is 35, and I already know that if you just do 7 times 7, that's 49. So what did this person do wrong? They multiplied 7 times 5 when they were supposed to multiply 7 5 times. Alright, and that is question number 1. Please make sure you have this written down. Question number 2, it says write the product as a power. So we want to take our number, so we have 81, and we want to know how many exponents do we need to have. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 81 to the 4th power. Alright, rock and roll. Let's move on to number 3. Here we got another one. It says write the product as a power. So we know we have 500, and let's see how many we got. We got 1, 2, 3, so that's going to be 500 to the 3rd power. There's no answer. It doesn't say find the value. It doesn't say answer. It just says write the product as a power. Product means multiplication. So we have 500 to the 3rd power. Alright, let's move on to question number 4. It says write the product as a power. Alright, don't get confused because you just see the letter P. Make sure you just, same rules apply. So we have the letter P, and let's see how many we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be P to the 6th power. Oh, and we're done. Let's move on to the next one. This time it says find the value. Please make sure we're trying to find the value. So again, this is not, I'm going to write it in red, this is not 2 times 3. That is wrong. What this actually means is how many number 2s do we have? We have 3 number 2s. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2. Well, we know 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is what? 8. So know that the answer for this problem is 8. Alright, let's move on to the next one. 10 to the 6th power. Again, don't get stressed out. All you got to do is we're multiplying by zeros. Remember, when we multiply by zeros, we are adding zeros. So how many number 10s do we have? We have 6 of them. So let's do this. We got 10 times 10, that's 2, times 10, that's 3, times 10, that's 4, times 10, that's 5, times 10, that's 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now all we got to do is multiply. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. 1,000 times 10, let's do that over here. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. And then 10,000 times, here's this next one, times 10 is 100,000, right? We're just adding zeros. And then 100,000 times 10, the last one, is going to give you 1 million. So if we're looking at this, there we go. Our answer is going to be 1 million. 10 times 10 is 100, yep. Then we have 1,000 times 10, that gives you 10,000. Then you have 10,000 times 10 is 100,000. 100,000 times 10, right? See what we multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This is our last question. Alright, so all we got to do is multiply. So how many number 3s do we have? We should have 5 of them. So we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Let's see. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. All right. And now we got to multiply 27 times 3. Let's do that. Please do not use a calculator. Make sure you show all your work. So now we have 27 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Don't forget to carry the 2. And then you do 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So now you have 81. And then you got to do 81 times 3. So let's do that. 81 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So we know that 3 to the 5th power is 243. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is finding exponents. That's it. It's a pretty easy lesson, evaluating expressions and exponents, and we'll talk more about it in lesson 1.2.